Now I'm back for the corner beads are on place and they're ready for me. So I'm going to hop inside first. I'll install the ones that I have for the inside and I'll come out here and we'll set these up. So I got a piece that's supposed to fit. Take the longer one. They've already been measured. That's too long. This has got to be the one. Yes. This one. I'll take that one. Alright. I just push that corner bead into place, tap it with the back of my knife. Now I can gauge how deep they are this way with my knife and actually see the gap. Take the back of my knife and I press it. Once you make that press, you can't move that corner bead around anymore. That means that's your final position for it. So that one's in place. We need a short one for up here, and that paper bead's going to finish the end of this one. So I'll just install this here. Paper bead will get lined up after we have all these metal ones on. Just using up some pieces for the client. Okay, that's been pressed into place. Now I come out, and we've got these long ones, one for one side, and this is the side that's going to have that gap working. Here, I'm hitting it with my hand, flattening out that corner bead. It's right at the edge. I'm going to end up taping it. I've got the room. Very good. Make sure I got the space for that tape to run. And bring it out and just get it over the edge of the drywall here. There we go. Flatten it out. It's gauged up. I'm very happy with the positioning of that. Now I press it with the back of my knife. That corner bead is now permanently there. Because we're so close to the edge of the drywall and there's cracks, this is all getting taped up in our first coat using quick set again. So the other side the same. Bring it up. Take the back of my knife and just give it a little slap. It sets it up for gauge. There we go. Now I like what that is. Take the back of the knife again. Press it into place. Both sides. Now while I'm at the top of my ladder, time to grab another corner bead. Okay. Got my snips handy for that. Whiz, the best snips in the world. In my opinion, they work very, very well. And they last me a long time, even with all the work that I do. Here we go. Better not too long and too short to start. There we go. So we bring that into position, we line up the both ends and push up. That locks that corner bead into place. Let's see. Right level there. Oh, and those come together nicely on this side too. Take the back of the knife and see, push. There we go. Now I'm bringing it to the edge. Now, back of the knife, press it in place. It's not going anywhere at all now. There we go, the corner beads are solid. We've got this one for the bottom. So again, a little measurement and a little cut. And same deal here. We want to line them up. So bring the corners together, we line them up. And my knife will say I've got the one there. Very good. Very good. And make sure it's level so it's nice to the eyeball. Press it into place. It's not going anywhere. Alright, now we're going to get the tape out and the quick set out next with my tools. We must tape up all these little joints, all these little corners at the top too, all those corners crossing where the holes are, this piece of tape all the way down. There's a couple joints inside here, a couple corners inside, and get the first coat on here. Once that coat is on, then I can put my leftover paper corner bead to complete this corner here that we don't have completed. This is going to be installed here. You see I'm a little long by 1/8, I might as well get it ready. My snips are here. We'll take a little shave off. There we go. Now, let's see if we can meet that properly. When it comes to the paper beads, I prefer putting them on after the corners have been taped. I prefer installing these later. That's where that's going to go. You'll see that process once we get all these joints, this inside corner taped off, everything taped off, little pieces everywhere. I've got my quick set mixed all ready for it. So I'm going to put my snips away. I'll be back with a hawk and trowel and a roll of tape, and let's get this first coat on.